Well, welcome back to Hooligan Designs. Again, another short video. I've not got much stuff done. Just been super busy with other stuff. But one of the things I did do, and as you can see there, is purchased a bender. And this is to assist in doing the bandit build. So I've just fixed it to the desk, messed around with that. It's rated to do inch tube, and I've just attempted to bend some inch tube, which you may notice is the tube I welded before. And you know, it did put a bend in it. So it does bend. It does take a lot of force to bend, but it does actually bend it. So if I can get it to focus. And that's about 1.5 to 2 mil tube. So yeah, I did it. Initially when I tried it, it did try and do a bend over the weld, and you can see that actually it didn't break the weld, so I suppose that's good. So makes me feel good about my welding, I suppose. Yeah. So like I said, it does take some force, and it appears that actually I've bent the bender. So anyway, we'll see how that goes on when we use it a bit more. I'm going to have a play around with it now, and I'll see how we get on. Cheers.